This. No.
너무 물지는 않게 적당히 빨리
Filipino. On Filipino. We will be back.
On daily
Basis. How much is this?
This one.
Okay.
Super lazy cream. Lazy cream. Same price. This one.
Let's go dyan. Tsaka.
We are making that day, okay? Right, so after we add a little bit of oil on the raw seaweed, we will pass them through this automatic baking machine right here. It only takes a few seconds to make one finished product. So green like this. And this is the natural color of the sea liver. In Korea, we can base on the color to identify the quality, okay? Right, and how do we identify the quality? Come with me this way. I show flavor, olive oil flavor. So you can enjoy it as a healthy snack, or if you want, you can enjoy it with rice. But before you taste them, take one sheet of sea liver like this, and then you hold it up against the light. So if the color is transparent and green, there shouldn't be any brown spot, okay? That means this is high quality sea liver. And when you taste it, you can tell the difference right away. Okay, so please try a lot. Okay, here you go. Right, okay. Right, okay, over here. You can check them. Right, right, okay. Please take your phone or camera. All good? Right. Okay, so may I have your attention, please? Okay, right here. You will have to wear gloves for seaweed right here, back, which means seaweed and rice. Okay, right. So later, when you look at the raw seaweed, you will see that they have two sides. So this is the rough side, rough. Okay, this one is smooth and shiny, right over here. So this is rough. Right, and this one is smooth and shiny. Later, when you look at the raw seaweed, you can see. Right, so the first step, we will place the raw seaweed on the red mat, rough side facing up, because it will stick to the rice better, right? Of sesame oil and salt for seasoning, okay? Now, take your rice bowl, place it on the raw seaweed, use your fingers, spread out the rice thinly and evenly, like this, okay? Right, so far so good, everyone? Yes, this is easy, right? Yes, so first step, easy. Right, so after you spread out the rice thinly and evenly, you will take the top edge like this. So this will act as the glue for the kimbap. Right, so let me pick this up so everyone can see. Right, okay? Just a little bit at the top, right here. Right, alright, so after you have the base for your kimbap, we will add the sole into a kimbap right here. So I will take one crab stick, imitation crab, okay? Place it in the center. Center, everyone. Right. And for the vegetable, first, this is yellow pickle radish. Yes, okay. Right. And the brown vegetable right here, in Korea, we call them uwang, or bird of root in English, okay? If you don't have this kind of root vegetable, you can use carrots, cucumbers, or even spinach. So it's really up to you, okay? Right, also in the center. And lastly, any guess? Kimchi. Kimchi. This is kimchi, by the way. Yes, no fish cake today because we have crab stick already. Okay? Right. So this is also goes in the middle. Right. So now I really need everyone to pay attention. Okay? The first step of rolling. Right. So you pick up the mat like this. Right. You see what I'm doing here? Mat one more time. And this time you just pull the mat forward. Let the mat do all the work for you. Okay? Right, so we go slowly and steady. One final press. And you should have a beautiful kimbap like this, okay? Right, so you can enjoy your kimbap right now. But if you want to save this for later, use a tin foil, okay? Put the kimbap inside. Roll it up. And then you twist the end. Right. So next time you go to a Korean market, you know, if you see this, you know they are selling kimbap. Okay. Right. So right here. Right. So right now I will pass out the gloves right here, everyone. Make sure you have gloves on before making your kimbap. Okay.
Kasi yung rice may oil mo. Evenly daw eh. Tapos maglagay ko dito. Pero masyado dito kasi baligtad. Kailangan baligtad din. Hindi, may space ka doon. Sabi niyo. Para magdikit. Gusto mo. Tingin daw ito daw. So, nalagay lang ng konti dito doon sa para yun yung place. Balik ka rin mo. Kasi nalap din yung crab food. Maglagay ka ng taste din.
Siguro kita ko sinunod, madali ka matapos. Naluluto. Yan, ang hirap. Ben. Crab. Apa ka?
Thank you. Sa gitna. Ako. Sabi niya.
I don't eat the foil.
Ilagay mo sa dulo.
Right, you pick up the mat one more time. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we need the mat to make sure our kimbap is like firmly roasted. So you can easily mix it with plain rice and enjoy. And because in Korea, we can use this almost every day. So we have many different flavors right here. I already put the shrimp flavor on the plate, okay? And right here, I also have kimchi flavor, very special, okay? Only in Korea that we have kimchi flavor, right? But to mix with the rice, I'll just use vegetable right here. So if you are vegetarians, you can also enjoy this. And if you have children who refuse to eat vegetable, just combine this in the rice for them. They won't know, okay? Right, so right now we're going to try some rice ball with fried seaweed, okay? Right, over here. And can one person at the back help me with this so you don't have to wait for a long time? Okay, so this is for people at the back. Okay, right, so you can invite. Right, okay. Right, okay, please enjoy. Right, so everyone later. And because we dried up already, so this is very easy for storage. If on that day you are not using the kelp, make sure you zip up the bag and keep in a dry, cool place like this. If you store this well, one bag like this will last up. Right. So, downstairs, this is what you try, by the way, the olive oil or original flavor. Now, this is what they look like in the packaging. In Korea, we like to do big bag of sea liver like this because when we go out, one big bag like this will be enough for the whole family, okay? Right, so right now I will show you an easy way to cut the sea liver into smaller pieces. You don't have to use scissors. What you have to do is just fold and then press the bag like this, okay? Now, if you have this is savory, yeah, and flavorful. Right, so please help me pass. Okay, one person at the back help me pass also so you don't have to wait for long. I'm a big fan of K-drama. Yeah, you like to watch K-drama while eating popcorn, you can use this instead of popcorn. Yeah, okay. Right. Right, here, this is sweet corn flavor, by the way. Yes, please help me pass. Okay. Right, here you go.
Yung ganito. Sige, kumuha. Hindi maalat yung spicy.
Right, okay.
Ito may sunflower. Ayun. May sunflower oil siya.
Right, okay. So after sweet corn, yes, we're going to try a very signature spicy flavor in Korea. Right. So have you heard of the name samgyang? Before, samgyang. The chicken breathing fire right here. Okay. So this is the Korean.
불법에서도 활용되었습니다.